What's going on, people of Earth? It's Tracy today. We're going to be doing another recipe. We're going to be cooking some salmon. We're going to cook this salmon a little bit differently. I'm going to fry this salmon with some panko breadcrumbs. It's a beautiful day here on Saturday here in Anderson, Alabama. We have had 42 inches of rain this year, and the sun is finally out. So we're going to do a little fish fry here and just kind of follow me along. I've never done it this way before, but we're going to see what it comes out. Salmon is probably not one of the fish that you typically think about when frying, but we're going to try it. Alrighty, we're going to start off with a salmon steak here. I'm going to take that bone out of there, and we've got some gluten-free panko breadcrumbs here, but they're plain, and so I'm going to kind of season it up, and you can use whatever seasons you want to use, guys. If you've seen my cooking, you kind of know what I normally use. We're going to use some lemon pepper, some dill weed, some paprika. We're going to use some cumin, a little bit of thyme, some onion powder, and we're going to use some of the Tony Chachere seasoning salt. We're going to do a wash with just regular liquid egg product. That's basically the egg whites. Seems like the egg whites make the batter stay on the fish a little bit better. And then we're going to use this nice little breader thing that I bought online. It's called the original better breader. So that thing worked out really, really well. You just shake, and you don't have to do a whole lot of touching of your meat here. That didn't sound right, but you know what I mean. Now with my breadcrumbs, I added about a tablespoon of everything except for the cumin. Cumin I put about maybe a fourth of a tablespoon. Not quite a fourth of a tablespoon. Cumin can be sometimes overpowering, guys, so I didn't put a whole lot of that in there. Then we're just going to take this and mix it all together here, just to kind of give it a better taste here. Okay, we're also using some coconut oil, and we're heating it up to medium, and you just want to use it until it's getting to the smoking point right about now, so it's ready. All right, just so that you'll see how this works here, we're going to add our breading to our little device here. It's pretty cool now, like I said, pretty neat. Put it off the side. We're going to take our fish. We're going to go into our egg wash first. Do it on both sides here. Alrighty, let that just drip off a little bit. We don't want it sobbing wet. Put that on our little breader here. And do the same thing with this other piece of fish. And again, we want to coat all the sides of it. All the sides. Again, let it drip. And add it to our bread. This is the fun part. The only thing I don't really like about this thing is it doesn't. It did that time. Most of the time it hasn't been sealed. And we're just gonna. You don't want to beat the heck out of it, y'all, because you know fish is kind of tender as it is. So again, we're just gonna flip it a few times. And this is what you're left with. Got your coated fish there. You can see the spices on it big time, but then we're going to add it to our frying. Alrighty, now we're going to add it to our frying. Try not to get any on the hand. And we're going to do about 3 minutes per side, just like you would a regular fish here. Alrighty, that was the first 3 minutes. We're going to flip it here. Let's get a nice little crust on it. Fix that one. And we're going to go another 3 minutes on that one as well. Alrighty, that's been 4 minutes on that side there. I'll take it out. You know, they say anything fried has got to taste good. We're getting ready to see. we're getting ready to see here. We're going to let that rest a little while and get our vegetables ready, and then we're going to taste it, guys, and see what it tastes like. Okay, then you just plate it up, and you can have it with that whatever vegetable. We've got a little bit of broccoletti with a little bit of mustard and olive oil and lemon juice on it and some spices. And we're going to see what this thing tastes like, guys. Alrighty, the true test is, what does the fish taste like? We're cutting into it with our little special silverware here. Looks good on the inside. Looks good on the inside. Don't look too bad. Now, we're gonna see what it tastes like. I am impressed. I'm impressed, guys. I did not think you could fry salmon and make it taste good. This is a good cut of fish. That's got a few bones in it, so you got to pull those bones out. But that is pretty doggone good. Of course, you know what it needs now. You know what it needs? Some hot sauce. You got to have some hot sauce on it. Man, that's good. Guys, you got to try it. I guess you can fry anything. You got to try this fried salmon. It came out good. It's moist. It's delicious. It's cooked all the way through. And I will be trying it again. Peace.